Hey guys, we are in the middle of Cicada Armageddon. They're everywhere, and we here on Mirabella TV are going to take you around and let you see the glory of the cicadas. Dun, 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 dun. Mirabella, what do you have to say to your friends?
Hi guys, welcome back to Mirabella TV. I'm Mirabella, this is my channel. And over there is a cicada warfare. I mean, like,
there's dead parts everywhere.
Like birds, like if it was like the cicadas trying to fight off the birds.
It was nuts.
It looked like.
So we're gonna let you guys really experience these cicadas along with us.
By listening for a moment of silence.
I think they're awesome. We're gonna get hands-on, guys.
The symphony of cicadas.
No clickbait, we're going to be putting on our shirts and not have that as a thumbnail.
See you soon. Got one coming out of its shell right here. This guy crawling up the tree. Hey buddy. I think they're pretty neat. And they are everywhere, guys. Try not to kill any of them on accident. Here we go. That one's crawling out. This one's crawling up the tree.
I can't like step.
Bunch of them crawling out here.
I can't like step anywhere because like...
These guys are actually pushing their way out right now. Hi guys. Bzz, bzz. All right, we're about to head out, guys. See you soon.
I got this and he went up there and he...
In my mom's backyard.
Have you ever, I don't think you ever sat.
Hunting for cicadas.
There's 50,000.
You got one right down there. Cicada.
Especially like the bottom of the thing. Don't worry. They're in the grass.
Oh, it's on a slow one, Daddy.
They like the brick. Look at this. Look at this.
That's a cicada.
I see a slow one on the brick over there.
Pretty neat, man.
They come out of the ground up here.
Right there.
And they climb up. These are all dead shots.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the tree.
There's so many.
You see?
You all right, honey?
You clean your shoes later.
I'm not doing it on purpose, remember?
Look. See the tree? Look at the tree. Look at the tree.
So many.
You hear? That's a different pulse sound.
Ew.
Yeah. They like the
So many in the grass. It's crazy. This is a bug invasion, man.
They like, they like this fence.
There's
You see them?
hundreds and thousands of these things. Oh my.
They love the fence. It's cool.
There's one flying right now. Hey, dude.
Yeah.
You're flying across.
Holy moly.
You think this is a lot? They're still coming out of the ground, Richie.
I know.
They'll be here till about July 20th, a month.
Mirabella, you want to film?
Yeah, but I just hate stepping on it.
Don't worry.
All right.
You'll clean your shoes before you go in.
Like I said, we're not willfully hurting these creatures, okay?
There's thousands.
We go over by this fence line and you can look at the plants and stuff too, okay?
Mirabella, look at the fence.
Oh my gosh.
And look at, this is kind of funny. Mirabella, look at this. Watch, I'm going to spin it.
Hey, Mirabella. Check this out.
Oh, hey, dude. He's freaking out. The little dude's freaking out.
It's Richie.
Little dude.
Look, yeah. Look at it. They're on the merry-go-round.
Hey, dude.
Subscribe to Mirabella TV.
Put on my shirt, my dress.
Oops.
Oh.
Sorry. He's on your shoe.
Oh, no, I don't want
It's
that.
okay.
This is my get the cicada off you.
I had one on me?
Yeah.
All right.
That's why I have this.
I'm not worried.
Work with Mirabella.
Oh, my God.
Filming, kiddo. You gotta stop the clip.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi, Sprinkles. Listen to the symphony. It's gorgeous.
There's no cicadas. I don't want to show you the dead ones, guys, but I'm going to have to eventually. Yeah.
God bless you.
Thanks. It's allergy season. I'm allergic to cottonwood, I think. And one just flew by. I have no idea where it is. I just saw the shadow of something. And there's a twitching ant. So that's the news for today.
Just point it there. You'll see them flying off like crazy.
You take the
There's
camera.
thousands of them.
Yeah, if you go like this, Richie, over on this side, you see them. Just hold still.
This is incredible.
They're moving from branch to branch.
All over.
Finding their...
They're everywhere, dude. Everywhere.
There's some roses, Richie. They're starting to bloom.
Those are nice.
They're leaving it alone, the cicadas.
He not only likes the red,
No, we gave it to him. He wouldn't eat it.
he's in disgust.
He's weird sometimes.
The cicadas don't stick to the smackers one. But over there, when it's
The wood?
the bricks at the bottom,
Oh, yeah.
they'll sit on that. Yeah, the cicadas, it's just weird seeing them moving like that. On that tree. That's nature. 17 years.
So cool, guys.
Okay, so if I'm 70,
Now, these are harmless insects. They can't do anything but make noise. Nothing.
7 more, 88. I'll be pretty old the next 10
And they're just emerging. The ground is crawling with these things.
Now this is we made another nest here. Look at Mirabella. But I don't know if there's babies in here. Look. There. Right in there.
Fascinating.
So I don't know if babies are in there.
Hey,
But
Mirabella.
Yeah?
don't
Little buddy
scare.
here.
Don't scare.
She's not afraid of it.
Hi, buddy.
You want on her shirt?
Yeah.
You gotta move your hair.
I'm afraid he's going to flip out like the other one did.
No.
Okay, grab him. He's too...
Hey, let go, buddy. Let go.
He's...
We'll shake everything off where you
Hey,
go.
yo. Do you want one, Mirabella? Want one, Kimberly?
All you do is
I want to introduce you to my buddy.
don't make me freak out.
Well, just don't freak out.
I don't like
Pet his back
No,
with your
I'm fine,
fingertip.
no, I'm not a toucher.
Why are you wigging out? Be like your daughter. Pet him. Way more brave. Mirabella, you've seen it here.
Yeah, my friend Christine,
Get out.
I'm sorry Christine if I say this and you're watching it, she's afraid of cicadas. And a 5-year-old was...
And the funniest thing, I was on the deck, and one started. Okay. One started filming, started walking toward me, flying, and I dodged it, and it redirected itself and came right at me. But then you think, oh, they have good vision. No, one of them's flying and it hits. It hits the, you know, the sun. In the sun.
We got a lot of footage of him.
Mirabella TV.
That's a girl. They're opening at the bottom.
Subscribe. Put her down. Stop it. Ew. Stop it.
Really? Really?
Put her down.
Let her be free.
He's in trouble, everyone. He's in trouble.
I think they would
Fly at
be
you.
sharp. No, they're not. It's creepy.
No, not at all. They got little barbs on their hands so they can grip stuff, but that's about it.
Couldn't they scratch your skin?
No,
They attach themselves to a leaf, and then
I don't want them up on my head.
not much wind. The wind chime was going like crazy the other day. It was real windy.
Were you at a pool? It's calling up the shirt.
Yeah. Ants are like a speck. It looks like a piece of pepper. And they move. And sometimes you have to spray the heater vents inside. There's one. Just jumped out.
That's when we were just touching.
Yeah.
It's gonna fly at Grandma.
One walked right over here. Making trouble.
Oh, there's a male right here. Check it out, Kimberly. It's singing.
Yeah, only the male sing.
Yes.
Did you know that?
Looking for the girlfriend.
Yeah.
Whee! It was up here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are at the woods.
With the cicada. You have your water bottle?
Somebody mentioned there's a coyote up ahead too.
With babies. To beware.
How cute would it be to see baby coyotes?
Fine is one of his mamas. What? You saw roly-poly? Little tanks. Little tanks, we call them.
Probably carrying meat from.
Who knows? This is why we came to the woods today.
I just wanted to experience it. They're flying around the tree. Wow. This is nuts, man.
Cool. He's crawling.
Hi, buddy.
Describe the mirror by a material, text the camera.
Hey, if you don't want one of these bugs in your face, subscribe to Mirabella TV.
I'm not one of those clickbaiters.
Yeah.
I'm not one of those clickbaiters that are like, if you don't subscribe, there'll be a spider under your bed tonight.
And you'll have 7 days of bad luck.
You have 7 days of bad luck. You will have $100 randomly. Don't know when it's gonna be.
Oh, look at they're all over.
It's gonna be somewhere.
So neat, man. Their little cool red eyes. What happened there?
Dropped your water bottle.
Cicada.
No,
I feel horrible, but landed.
you didn't, kiddo. And it gets all quiet.
And then they ramp up again. We have found evidence
They're all over.
of their shells left behind.
You see, they crawl out of the ground without wings. They leave these little casings and they come out with wings. And then they mate and die. And the noise you hear is from the males. The boys are looking for girls, so they yell, "I'm handsome." And then they mate, and then they die. We'll make awesome babies together. That's actually the true story of how I met my wife. Kidding. Yeah, he doesn't appreciate my sense of humor anymore after all the years.
No, it's come to dad jokes now. Although Mom has some pretty good mom jokes once in a while.
Wrong.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
0.
Hey, dragonfly.
Yeah,
It's a big one.
he's a big old little helicopter guy. Oh, we got a grasshopper up ahead. He just flew.
Oh, yeah.
He's in the pathway right there.
Getting loud again. Oh, look at them all in the tree. If you don't like bugs, this would be your worst nightmare.
So you probably, well, if you made it this far in the video.
Exactly. And so if you don't want this tree in our backyard, then you gotta subscribe.
By the time I count to 3, Art will happen. 1, 2, 3.
Pop, there's a magical tree that has 15 cicadas on it. 15 million.
Sing for me. A pretty little bird over there. He says, I'm not singing for you. Cottonwood in the air. This is allergy season. And boy, do I have allergies. How you holding up?
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Get back in the nighttime. This isn't a sponsored video. If you would like us to,
But it could be, Claritin. Call us.
yeah. Look at this. Allergy.
No, really for me, tortillas.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, tortillas. Oh, yeah.
Makers of Italian beef. Call us.
Mirabella's favorite new food.
No, get away from us. We are stuck in it going on.
We'll kiss our sprinkles.
I kissed the cicada that was on the lens.
Those are berries.
Is it edible?
Not now, they're all green. We don't want to eat that. I'm sure green berries are awfully sour.
A lot of roots.
Super neat.
Buddy. Come on, dude.
He's like, no, you're scaring the heck out of me.
Dude.
Just let him go.
Look at
It's
the
okay.
cute tree.
He's gonna get stepped on.
Foliage.
Yeah.
Okay,
In the
dude.
window.
See yourself.
Come on, kiddo. She has such a great heart. She wants to help every one of them.
I thought it was a dead one. Like a shell or something. I touched it and it fell.
Unbelievable.
I think it's dead because it's not moving anymore.
These are all God's creatures.
I want to step on one. I just succeeded, but it's everywhere. So that's not helping the situation.
The oldest in the land. Are they covered in cicadas? They don't sound like it.
You'd think they would be.
Well, there's some on there. They got deep grooves. Many years.
Cicadas. Danger, danger. If one of them lands on my wife, she may die. Danger.
Ha ha ha.
No, she's just gonna run and tear and scream.
Yeah, you'll hear screeching.
She'll fall into a seizure.
Oh, they're all over here.
Woman died because of a cicada. I didn't know they were dangerous. No, they weren't. She just ran into the street.
Screaming and flailing her arms wildly. No, they're totally harmless, actually. Oh.
Oh, they're totally harmless. Just freaked out.
Oh. Under all the leaves.
What am I looking at? Oh. Right by our face.
Crazy, man. All the shells.
Look at the shell.
And then over here, they're under these.
The invasion.
Ah,
No.
the shell. Keep walking. Keep walking. Thanks for joining us, Sprinkles. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Also, thanks for
Follow us on Instagram.
follow us on Instagram, YourWell_TV, and buy our merch. The link is down below.
Become a member.
And become a member. Do it, please, or I'll get us some dead cicada or whatever cicada. Put it
Thanks
on
for
the
joining us,
camera.
guys. Bye.